Hi children, welcome to EduCup. Today we are with the third lesson from grade 6 science, water as a natural resource. Water is the most important natural resource given us by nature. As soon as you hear the word water, you will think of rivers, streams, ponds, wells. Water is commonly found in liquid state. Does water exist only in the liquid state? Today we are going to discuss about that. Now you are going to identify the status of water. You will need ice cubes, a test tube, a burner. What you have to do, put the ice cubes into the test tube. Then heat the test tube like this. You can heat it from the bottom also. In this picture you can see it's boiling from the middle. Use the test tube holder to hold the test tube. Okay, what you can see? It can be observed that when the ice cubes are heated, they turn into the liquid water. Can you see the liquid water here? When further heated, water turns into the vapor. Water exists in three physical states as ice, liquid water and water vapor. Can you see the water vapors in top of the test tube? So we can conclude it like this. Ice in solid state turning into liquid water, liquid state, then water vapor as gas state. Here like this. Ice, liquid water, then water vapors. Let's discuss about furthermore status about water. Water exists in the state of solid, liquid and gases in natural environment. Our topic is water in solid state. Ice, snow, glaciers are some examples for the solid state of water. Glaciers can be seen in the southern and northern poles of the world. In some countries, snows can be seen in winter season. Snow also a solid state of water. Glaciers, which we can see in southern and north pole of the world. Ice, snow, which we can see in winter season. Water in liquid state. The liquid state of water can be seen in lakes, streams, rivers, tanks, ponds, wells and seas. The water in our language normally refers to water in liquid state. Water in gaseous state. That means water vapor. Steam and water vapor are examples for the gaseous state of water. Water exists in the atmosphere as water vapor. Now we are going to do a small activity to testing whether there is water vapor in the atmosphere. You will need a glass, ice cubes, water, a piece of cardboard. What you have to do, fill the half of the glass with the water. Observe the outer surface of the glass. After some time, put some cubes into the same glass and close it the piece of cardboard. When you are putting water into the glass, there's no difference which you can observe in that activity. But if you are putting the ice cubes into the same glass, you can see some water droplets which can see on the glass. Water vapor in the atmosphere condenses that can be seen on the outer surface of the glass. So we can conclude there is water vapor in the atmosphere. This is what we have to learn in the first part of this lesson. Let's meet with the next second lesson as type of the water based on availability and types of water based on salinity. Thank you.